Hey guys! Welcome back to another interesting video. If you are having Playstore pending problem and want its perfect solution, so don't move more. Here we will show you how to solve Playstore pending problem in 2 simple steps. So keep watching. In the first step you need to open your Playstore. Move to your account option and then to settings. After this, go to the General tab, and then on Account and Preferences option. Scroll some downward. Tap on the Clear Device Search History option and then Clear History. Do the same with the Clear Wishlist option and clear it. After this, go back and move to Network Preferences option. Tap on App Download Preference option and change it to over any network. Now on Auto Update Apps option and mark it as Don't Auto Update Apps. In step 2 you need to open your mobile settings. Find Apps and Notifications option. Here tap on See All Apps option and find Playstore. Now move to the Storage and Cache option. Tap on the Clear Cache option and it will get cleared. Likewise on the Clear Storage option and clear it. Don't be afraid of loss of any apps, it will only clear Playstore data. So by following these steps you will not face Playstore pending problem anymore. Thanks for watching and meet you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.